welcome back again to my channel. And for today's video, super excited ako because I am sharing one of my builds or creations in The Sims 4. So I created this, so I'm just going to do a walkthrough video. So I'm doing PBB House season 10. So disclaimer, this is just I'm not sure about the layout of the house, so I wouldn't claim it as exact one, but I tried as hard as possible to at least make it similar to the real house. So first I'm bringing you to Del Sol Valley, since this is the world of Get Famous and we don't have anything that says Manila. So I'm gonna bring in the PBB house in this world. So I tried to do like some of the housemates, but I haven't finished yet. So I have been obsessed with playing The Sims 4 because I discovered mods and custom content, and it was just kind of enjoying. So I was like, maybe I can build something that that is like an iconic one. And I built the house, like the PBB house, and this is very iconic in the Philippines. Like sometimes you get to pass by it, take a picture of it, and that is it. So this is the overview of the house that I made, and I know there's gonna be a lot of rooms, but I know that's for production management, but I haven't get a chance to actually know where they are located. So this is like the best one, the best look that I can get, and I just like mimic the front of the house, the colors, and luckily I found that decor that looks like an eye, and I put it like at the top of the house. So moving on forwards, this is like the entrance. This is where housemates enter and then enter the house. But upon entering, I have no idea what is in that door. So what I did is just put like monitors, like for example these are for productions, and then I put a door through this room right here. So this room right here, I will call it a waiting room. So assuming that is the waiting room, like where housemates are gonna wait before Kuya called them in the confession room to enter the house. So this is just an imagination room. And then right here we are entering the hallway through the main house. So this hallway includes the storage room, the confession room, and the coma room. So I put some mirrors on the side because that's what I saw. And then I'll be entering this door on my left. This is the storage room. I just put some counters, some shelves, a refrigerator, and of course the mirror. So yeah, I tried to Now we are going through these doors on the right from the entrance, and this first door on your right is gonna be the coma room. Like I have no idea how the coma room looks like. I just saw it on live stream, and this is the best copy that I can actually do. I put the monitors, so this is one of my favorite rooms that I made. This is the confession room, and the couch, I just thought that was really nice right there because it was a different shape of couch. So I put a monitor, a center table, and of course this eye right here, and other decors that I would think that it might fit. I know this is not what it exactly looks like, but the vibe is it's like there. And I'm very happy that I used this couch. Now we are going to the main house. This is like the whole way. I know this is not the exact one that they're showing in TV, but I have been obsessed with watching PBB, and this is now the main house. I'm so excited because I never thought that it would kind of look like the same, because I know the furnitures are not the same. This is like the foyer. Like once you enter, on your right is gonna be the girls' bedroom. So I didn't put that. If you can see the decor at the top of the door, looks like a girl. So that's the girl's bedroom. And then right here on your left, when you enter, of course, you are going to see the bathrooms. You're gonna see the shower room right here, and the toilet at the other side. So what I did, I just put some decor, a shower, and like shampoo, conditioner. And then on this side is the comfort room. This is like the toilet, and it's one of the iconic places because there's supposed to be a camera at the top. But yeah, that's what I made. I'm not sure if there's a sink. So after the bathrooms, this is the kitchen. Like there's a refrigerator, and of course the mirrors, the microwave, and this is pretty much familiar. This is like the sink. I put a dish rack over there, and then there's stove, and I put some bar stools. It just looks like it's like a complete kitchen because I don't want to look the center space like really blank. And then I put a gym right here, and I know this is not like the exact one, but I know there's a gym inside. So now we're moving on with the dining area. This is like 4 tables that I put together so that I could put a lot of chairs in there. This is where like the boys' bedroom is nearby, and then the monitor. So this is one of my favorite places as well, which is the living room. And I just realized, why am I talking English much? I should have talked in Tagalog, and because I mean, who's gonna be interested in this one? Of course, mga Filipino, diba? So I thought I just did this. It's very nice. Like I couldn't find like something similar dun sa couch nila, but the color of this living room, I'm living for it. So the vibe is there. So I put up the Christmas tree kasi magpapasko nung ginawa ko to. And I was supposed to do a spit build, but I just didn't have the time. So this is the living room. I'm moving on to the bedrooms, and yung bedroom talagang parang pucho-pucho lang. Hindi ko talaga siya nagawan masyado ng effort. Kung ano lang talaga yung bed na mailagay ko, sobrang konti pa. And then hindi talaga ito yung layout kasi itong nasa right side, ito yung ginawa kong mga cabinets nila. Tapos naglagay lang ako ng maliit na vanity on the other side. Pero alam kong hindi talaga ganito. And then, I just put an access from the bedroom to the pool area. So, ayun. Ito lang talaga yung ginawa ko. Ang pangit pa ng layout, as in. Like, parang ang nakuha ko lang talaga yung mirrors. Pero, ayan. Tapos moving on sa girls' bedroom. Ito medyo maayos-ayos kasi ito yung second ko na nagawa. after the boys bedroom. So yan, ganyan lang din. Meron siyang, yan yung cabinets, tapos ito yung vanity, tapos medyo kasi yung vibe, makikita mo talaga na PVV dito, talagang maayos siya. So iilan lang din yung bed na nilagay ko, and may access din siya sa pool area. Pero I really love the layout of the girls bedroom, not biased though. And eto na yung talagang sobrang iconic sa bahay ni Kuya, yung pool. So, ako din pangarap ko talaga makapasok ng bahay ni Kuya, no. Pero yan yung patio na tambayan nila, and then this is like the pool area. And I just made it like kung ano lang yung tingin ko, pero medyo kamukha na, pwede na. And then may picnic area, naglagay ako ng duyan. And then, ayan, dyan yung parang pintuan sa outside world. Like, I didn't really know, and I'm not sure kung may bubong ba talaga doon or parang net lang. Pero wala naman ako mahanap. So, ito yun, yung parang tambayan. And I know this is not what it looks like. Pero, ayan. Ayan. Tapos yung fountain, nilagay ko lang. And yung mga plants. And then, ayan, makita nyo dito yung access ng girls sa bedroom nila. Na grabe, sobrang tagal ko rin tong ginawa. Mga ilang araw din. Pero grabe, because of the mods, talaga nagkaroon ng buhay yung bahay. And of course, syempre kasama din yung ibang mga decorations na talagang kasama sa Sims talaga. And then this is the activity area. Ang liit nito compare kasi wala na talaga akong space, and hindi ko alam kung open pa yung taas nun. Basta niligyan ko lang siya ng ganyan. So ayun, sana nag-enjoy kayo, and sana nagustuhan nyo. I hope I can make more builds, pero sana speed build na next time. But yeah, this is it. I hope you guys enjoy. Here is the montage of the outer rooms.